Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install Java on your computer. The first step you need to do is to download the JRE file from the Java website. So I've already downloaded mine. It's on the desktop, this one here. So you can double click and install it. That is if you have the administrative rights to your computer. So you double click on the file. If it asks you for any prompts, say yes or enter the admin password. Then it brings this window. You click on install. So let's click on install and give it time. It's installing. Yep, and that's it. You have successfully installed Java on your computer. How do you know you've already installed? Go to control panel, then you'll see the Java icon here. Or you can also go to programs and features and scroll down to Java. It's Java 7 update 51. And that's all. You've already installed Java on your computer and you can now use applications associated with it. Thank you for watching. Remember to like the video and hit the subscribe button. Goodbye.